Hello guys, welcome to this amazing training tutorial. So in this video, we'll be taking a look at how to purchase a domain name and hosting. Okay, so first of all, a domain, that is domain name is the name of your website, that is the URL that people need to, type on, sorry, the name that people need to type on the URL to get to your website. That is a domain name. For example, www.facebook.com is a domain name. If it is a school, it can be, let's say, school.edu.ng. Those are domain name. Basically, that is what domain name is. Then hosting simply means a space, that your a space where your website content will be stored, and this is usually provided by hosting providers. Okay, hosting providers like we have Namecheap, we have Truehost, we have Bluehost, we have Host. There are a lot of them. Okay, so we're going to see how to purchase this domain name and link them to hosting plan. All right, so without wasting time, let's get into it. I'm going to open my browser to start what we're about to start. Okay, so let's see. I'll open the browser, and I think the first one and the one that I love so much is going to it's Namecheap. So go to Namecheap. Just type in Namecheap, as in the name is cheap, right? So go to Namecheap. We're going to select the first thing that opens. Let's go with the second one, Namecheap. Okay, so this is the Namecheap platform. All right. So this is where let's start with the domain name. So you can see even on the platform what we have here first is domain name. So but before you can buy a domain name, you have to search for it. Okay, you have to search to see if that name is available or it has been taken by someone else. Okay, if the name is available, then you can go ahead to purchase it. But if it is not available, it means somebody has bought it already, and you cannot actually buy that domain. Okay, you have to just tweak. And the good thing about this is once a domain name is taken, they're going to give you suggestion at the bottom for you to go, with the suggestion or not. So let's say from that on that domain, we'll select domain name search. So we're going to search for domain. Okay, so it's asking us to search for domain. Let's say we are looking for let's see, let's start with facebook.com. So this is facebook.com. All right, let's assume we want to buy a domain name like this. All right, so we just click on search, then the system is going to search to see if this domain name has been taken by someone else or it is available. So as you can see, it says Facebook has been registered since 1997. All right, so this domain name is not available because somebody else has bought this domain name. Of course, you already know that Facebook is owned by somebody else, right? So it's something we cannot use. Okay, so let's go, and all these ones under here, they have actually been taken also. So I think Facebook is a no-go area, so we just need to cancel this. Then we'll search another one. Let's say we are looking for Terra Tech. Let's say terra.com. Okay, so let's search for this also. We'll wait for it to give us. You can see this terra.com has has been purchased by someone else, right? In fact, it is uh, Terra 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 has been purchased by someone else. So it is suggesting terra.net. You can go with terra.net, or you can go with terra.org. You can go with terra.ai. You can go with terra.to. You understand? So these are the suggestions that it is bringing for you. So you can decide to go with all this, or you just change your mind, totally. So let's look for something that is available. So let's see, we have something like, I think we're working on workshop.com. Let's see workshop.com if it is available. Wow, workshop.com has been taken by someone else. So it was registered since 1992. Okay. So this domain name is not available. So let's say we want to, okay, let's do something like Arewa. Wow, arewa.com is gone. As you can see, it's showing taken already. So Arewa, no, let's use something like farmcenter.com. Let's see. Farmcenter.com should be available. Wow, farmcenter.com was registered since 2020, sorry, 2002. Okay, which means farm center is gone. Okay, let's test this. Let's check it out on the internet. Let's see who is using farmcenter.com. So I'm going to put www.farmcenter.com. Let's see if the website is live or dead. Wow, domain. Okay, the domain name was bought, but the domain is currently on suspension. As you can see, um, this domain was purchased, but then it is currently on suspension. Okay, so now let's look out for a different domain. Let's say test.com, for example. Test.com was taken since 1997. Wow. So from your business, you'll be able to come up with a name that will suit, you'll be able to come up with a domain name that will suit your business. All right. So let's see which name. Let's use shop now, or let's use Shopify. Okay. I think Shopee was coming. Shopee.com. Wow, okay. So I think we've gotten something like this. Shopee.com is available, and we can also use something like I'm trying to look for an amazing name. Um Barter.com. Let's see. Barter.com is taken. Okay, let's use something like teststore.com. Okay, you can see teststore.com is available, right? So, wow, but you can take a look at the amount here. This is premium. I'm looking for something that is very simple. Let's see. Um, no, I don't want to use. Mm, oh, okay. Buy, buy deal. Let's see, buydeal.com. Okay, buydeal.com is available. Instead of, let's use deal. Buydeal.com, is it available? Wow, somebody has taken this since 1999. Wow. Okay, let me use the I since this is available. So you can see buydeal.com is available. So it means we can go with this domain name. So all we need to do, and you can see by the right hand side here, we have the price of that domain. This is going to be 11.28 dollar per year. Okay, so these are suggestions that it is giving us. All right, so we've confirmed that this domain is available, but remember our goal is to buy domain name and hosting. Okay, so what we need to do is we'll go to hosting. Under hosting, we'll go to shared hosting. Okay, let's copy this. This is what we'll be using. So we'll go to shared hosting. Under shared hosting, you're going to see the plan that they have. All right, so we have the Stellar, we have Popular, we have Stellar Business. So you can see this is an amount per month. $1.98 per month. This is $2.98 per month. This is $4.98 per month. So you just need to pick your plan here. So of course, if since we are starting, we are having a startup business, so we'll just start with this. Let's assume we're going with the first one. We'll just click on it. Okay, I think I was supposed to explain something here. So the key difference between these three is that On the Stellar plan, you have domain name. You can get access to domain name. You're going to have three websites, of course, the maximum of three websites on it, and the space they're going to allocate to you is 20 gig SSD. Then 30 mailboxes, AI website builder, AI tools. Then the second one, which is popular plan, you're going to have domain name. You're going to have unlimited website. This one is restricted to only three websites, but this one you're going to have unlimited websites. Unmetered SSD, of course, the size is going to be more than 20 gig. Then unlimited mailbox. Here there is no limitations, right? So the Stellar business plan, you can see, of course, even the price. Looking at the price, you know that the difference is clear. Okay, this one you're going to have domain name, unlimited websites, 50 gig, SSD, unlimited mailboxes, auto backup and cloud storage. AI website builder is going to be integrated, and also we have AI tools. All right, so this is the difference between the three plans. So ours will be going with the first one, and this is for domain. Now, we need to select the domain. It's asking us, do we want to buy a new domain, or we already have an existing domain that we want to link to this hosting? That is what it is asking us. So you can see if you have already existing domain, you just click on this and impute, and proceed. But for in our own case, we don't have any domain. We are about to buy both the domain and hosting. You can see the price for the hosting. Now we need to add the domain. So we'll scroll down. We need to search for the domain that we want to buy, which is buydeal.com. So as you can see, it is available, and it is telling us to connect this hosting to this domain that we want to buy. All right, so it will combine the price of the domain and the price of the hosting plan and give us the total. That is the total of what we will be paying. So we click on connect to hosting. So after connecting the domain and hosting, this is the total that of what we are going to be paying. So I'm going to click on add to cart. Okay, so as you can see, your subtotal is this. This is your subtotal, $34.34. Okay, so this is what we are purchasing. We have domain name registration for 1 year. If you want to change to, maybe you want to pay for like for 2 years or 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, anyone you want to, just select it here. But our plan is for 1 year. All right. If you want it to automatically renew itself once it is up to 1 year, that is once it has gotten to the expiring date, it will just auto renew itself. You can click on this. But for now, I think I don't like leaving this. I don't like putting it on auto renewal. So I'm going to leave this I'm going to leave it like this. Then the domain privacy, of course, is enabled. This is $0.0. Then the premium DNS, of course, it's we'll just leave it as it is. Then the domain itself, that is the buydeal.com. Of course, we're paying for 1 year. Okay, so both the domain and hosting, we're going to pay for 1 year. Okay, and the total for the domain is $22.88. The total for hosting is um $22.888. Then for the domain is $11.28. If you add it up, it's going to give you $34.34. All right. So if you're good with this, all you need to do is to click on confirm order, and it's going to take you to a place where you need to create an account. All right. If you already have an account on it, you just need to enter your username and password. But in my own case, I don't have an account, so I need to create an account. So here we'll just put in our details. Let's say Musa. I already have an account with Namecheap, and I don't want to use that account, so that's why I'm trying to create a new one. So user, I'll add in Musa1. Then the password, I'll add in let's see. Okay, so let's add the confirm password. And here you need to input your first name and your email ID, your first name, your last name, your email ID. So here I'll give it Musa because I already have an account here. All right, so I'll leave this as Abdullah. Now, this is the email that I'll be using. So I'll click on create and continue. So I need to enter my email ID to verify, it says username you requested is already in use, please try using a different. Okay, so I think Musa, uh let's say Musa Kano. Password, wow, I need to enter this password again. Put a very strong password. All right, so just click on create and continue. Security check, please prove you are human. Okay. Oh, we did not click on I'm not a robot. Okay, so here I need to enter this password. I need to repeat the same password. Then I need to just click on this. Then we click on create account and continue. All right, so it appears our account has been created. Yes, it will ask if you want to save your password. I don't need that. So your company name, you just need to put your company name, put the job title. These are basic information that you need to provide. Phone number, you first of all select the country you are. Okay, so let's say this is Nigeria 234. Then you add a phone number. I already have an account here, so I'm not putting yeah, so this one is optional. Select your country, of course we're in Nigeria. So here you put your address. You need to just put in the address and the job title. Put something the job title, let's just put I'm a freelancer. Okay, then the company name. Okay, put in the company name. Then what again? This is optional. What? Please use English letters. Okay, the company name, right? Okay, I think we are good to go. So just click on continue. As you can see, this is our billing dues. So all we need to do is I think we are good to go. We'll click on continue. All right, so I was supposed to click on this. Yeah, so it will take you to where you need to put in your credit card info. So credit card details. Okay, when you need to add new. So here you put your card, the name that is on the card. Let's see, you put in your name, the name that is available on the credit card you are about to use. So here you put in the card number. Put in your card number. When you're done with putting in your card number, it will ask for the expiring date of the card number and also the CVV of that card. So here you put in the card details. When you're done, you just click on confirm order, and they are going to deduct that 34.34 dollar from that your credit card, and you are going to receive a mail from Namecheap with your cPanel login details. Okay, I will be able to allow you to log into your cPanel and also to your dashboard on Namecheap and also on the cPanel, where you'll be able to proceed to your to uploading your website or your website development. All right, so this is how easy it is to make purchase on Namecheap platform. All right, so let's take a look at other platforms. Platforms like let's say Bluehost. Bluehost is also a hosting provider. Namecheap, well, Bluehost. Yes, this is Bluehost. Just that Bluehost is more expensive. I think so. So if you go to hosting, you can see we have commerce, we have domain. So hosting, you just go to web hosting, we have WordPress hosting, we have cloud hosting, VPS hosting, dedicated hosting. You can just click on web hosting. So this is their own plan. You can see on Namecheap is different from what we are having here. Their basic plan is 21.98, sorry, their basic plan is 2.95, dollar per month. All right, so all you need to do is to select your plan, choose your plan, and you proceed just the way we did. So you need to register a domain. You need to first of all check if the domain is available, just like we did, in Namecheap. So, but here they already have a suffix for us, that is the extension, whether it is .com, .ng, .org, or whatever. So just type in and you click on search. You can see this domain is not available because of course it has been taken by Mark Zuckerberg, right? So we need to just add something else. Let's say by deal. Of course, this is going to be available because we just checked it, and of course it will tell us that this domain is available, and it will automatically add it to ask us to proceed. You can see check and continue to check out. So it means this domain is available. All right. So this is how easy it is. Or you can even search. This is for hosting, right? You can go to domain. You can from here you go to domain name search. This is where you need to search for the domain you're looking for. So let's say by deal. I don't need to add .com because it's already here. You can just click on this to select the extension you're looking for, whether it is .org, .online, .site, space, .tech, whatever. All right, so just pick it and click on continue. The system is going to search to see if the domain name is available. It's trying to find it, and if it is available, boom, it will tell you the price. You can see buydeal.com. Where is it? Wiley.com. This is 12.99 for the first year. All right, so if you're good with it or you want to change, you can pick anyone here. But if you're good with it, just click on add to cart or you click on continue. Okay, so it will take you to where you just need to check out. So you just need to click on this and you put in your details, you put in your contact address, contact details, your payment information, the credit cards info, and of course, you click on, when you're done filling all this, you just click on submit payment, and that amount will be deducted from your credit card, and you get access to your cPanel through the email that you added during registration. So, guys, this is how easy it is to, you know, um, to purchase domain name and hosting. All right, so that is it for now. Looking forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, in the next class. Bye for now.